So what's the name of your app?
It's Early Bird.
Early Bird. All right. So what's it gonna do?
It's gonna crash the snooze button by waking up the world.
Name of my app is ShipSafe.
ShipSafe.
ShipSafe is wearable beacons to help with life-saving efforts if somebody falls off of a boat.
Beacon Clip.
Beacon Clip. So what does it do?
We want to make networking a lot easier, so we want to use beacon instead of name tags, like classical name tags. So you can just look around and see what the people are doing.
The name of the app is Assemble.
Assemble. All right. And what's Assemble gonna do for us?
Think of it as open table for conference rooms. It lets you find a conference room, book a conference room, and most importantly uses beacons to let you know whether somebody's already in there, whether you should be in there and you're not, or somebody should be in there and they should get the hell out.
We're making Ninja Fight.
Ninja Fight. What's this gonna do?
Basically, it's a real-world capture flag, except everybody's a ninja.
Chronologger.
What does it do?
It tracks time based on where you are and shows you exactly how long you've been at each area.
The name of our app is BiggerBox.
BiggerBox. And what's this gonna do?
So basically BiggerBox is kind of like revitalizing the real world shopping experience. So for example, if you're going to IKEA, you have to choose a whole bunch of sort of items as you walk throughout the warehouse, and you might forget that you have to write it down on this crappy piece of paper. What if you could just pull out your smartphone and walk near the device, say, I want that.
Hoopla.
Hoopla. And what does Hoopla do?
So Hoopla lets you play games, but you get to be paid to play. You get to earn points, which you could then change into some of your favorite brands and offers.
But I think my favorite feature is the ability to chop up your enemies with your phone.
Local story.
Okay. All right.
So
what do you hope to achieve with Local Story?
So basically, it's to create kits for teachers and their students to create tours of local interesting buildings, other infrastructure.
Right.
Every building has a story. We want to wake up the local environment and get people out into the world.
So what's your favorite feature about this app?
We think the recommendation engine is going to be awesome. So this is basically like the first e-shopping cart for the real world. It's like the Amazon experience, but in an IKEA store.
We are building Kodame.app, which is enabling interactive art without taking people out of their environment at festivals and gallery walks. And it's also providing people with a way to discover artists. Like, if they see something cool, they don't have to remember anything. They can later just see it on their phone as a live stream.
So we got a couple apps actually. We actually talked to real moms and got some really good feedback. So based on that feedback, we're building something that lets the family make sure that they take everything necessary for the baby on a trip when they're going out the door. App number 2 is about helping moms make sure babies get enough food at the right times. And we've got sensors on the bottle that can send messages.
So this app is called BeAccount. So it's some app that helps people buy beers for others.
My favorite feature about this app is putting beacons inside of water.
We have a working title called Safe Life, and we might change it later.
Okay, great. So what's Safe Ride supposed to do?
Basically, whenever you get into a taxi, there can be situations where they can abduct you or they can harm you or anything. So we are trying to come up with a beacon app wherein once you get into the taxi, you get the taxi information on your phone using our app.
So what's your favorite feature about this Assemble?
Well, I love the fact that you can walk into the conference room and see whether you're there. And if somebody's already in the room, instead of having to go and knock and say, I have the room, it can send the person a message and say, hey, somebody's waiting for the room. I like that. Get up!
So we are Team BagTag and
BagTag.
BagTag.
Nice.
Yes.
I like it. What does your app do?
So what we do is we are trying to take all the pain out of flying with your checked-in baggages.
It's Film Fest, and this is a feature to our amazing guides that we do. And the feature is it's for VIP treatment. When you get to the door, it'll recognize who you are, and then our usher, which is this robotic ball, is going to take you to your seat.
The name is Subterra Cognita. So like Terra Incognita, unknown lands, but it's Subterra underneath and Terra Cognita, so known land.
I like it. What does it do?
Well, as the name implies, it maps underground surfaces, so you can see what's going on inside simply by beacon technology.
City tours.
Beacon City tours.
So you walk by the first beacon that is available from our side, anywhere, and it will just pop up a Wikipedia page or something on sort of that place.
Our favorite feature is stuff like this, where you can walk up to an LED matrix and upload a GIF to it, and it'll display the GIF on an LED art matrix, so everybody can come and share their art and be part of the event.
Hi, our Catch the Life flag.
Okay, and what's it gonna do?
We are going to do kind of make a list of history of logs of beacon. So we are going to track the beacon's history. I mean beacon logs history.
So what's your favorite feature?
It's the beacon actually.